Our rubber bands are made of pure rubber, very soft and elastic. Then it is different from traditional. The rubber strip made of rope is entirely different. Therefore, our injuries are typically from 2 millimeters to 3 millimeters. So the traditional rubber band size is about 5 millimeters. The diameter is 5 millimeters. Then the diameter after folding becomes about 10 millimeters. So it's like we used a 10 millimeter patch, go and treat the wound of 2 or 3 millimeters. After an extended drive like this, it is crucial to be aware that this adhesive strip can potentially inflict damage on the tire. So what happens after we turn the material into rubber today? It is very soft, just like our rubber band. Also elastic, it will not enlarge the wound. So our rubber band naturally needs to match our unique design of closed-end fork. Our forks are also extremely thin. They will not make the wound bigger. And our adhesive tape is also very labor-saving when inserted into the wound. Initially, we insert the rubber strip into our fork. Easy. Next, let's apply our vulcanized glue again. In this manner, our adhesive strip will chemically react with the wound on the tire in order to facilitate better healing of the wound. We carefully insert it in this manner. Insert it all the way to the end and slowly pull it out. That's it. We trimmed the extra adhesive tape in this manner. It is finished.